Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see by the title, I'm here to talk about my top 5 reasons why you should buy Apple MacBook Pro M5 chip. And I recently bought this laptop because I had to get one. And I also got a Windows prior to this one, but I had a chance to test my sister's MacBook and for about a month, and I really liked it. And here are my top 5 reasons why I think you should get a MacBook Pro. And also, by the way, this is my first MacBook Pro ever. I've never used an Apple laptop before. I've always been a Windows girl. So the first reason I loved this laptop is because I create content. I make a lot of videos. I have a lot of data. I really wanted a laptop that would last long in terms of battery. This laptop has left me amazed because I didn't expect the battery would last that long after using it for hours and hours and creating videos. Like, I'm not talking about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm talking about like 20 to 30 minutes videos, and using airdropping all the files, and that takes a lot of energy. Even though I was using it like for a continuous 5 to 6 hours, the battery was still good. So I was really amazed by that, and that was my number one priority. Honestly, it was a long-lasting battery, and also how fast it charged after running out of battery. I would just plug in for a max, I would say an hour and a half, if I remember it correctly. I haven't tested it out, but I definitely know that, I just leave it there for a couple of hours max, and then it would just be like charged. And I was like, wow, that's amazing, because the ones that I had before this Apple laptop was I had to keep on charging it while I was working on it, right? So I didn't really like that part. So yeah, the number one was my long-lasting battery. Sorry. So the number one reason for me to get this laptop was the long-lasting battery and the fast charging. And along with that, there are like ports here. You can the USB Type C. So there are like Type C ports. If I can count, here's like 1 and 3. Yeah, so we have 3 Type C ports here, and you can charge your phone or anything else, your portable charger, whatever you have, while you are using the laptop. So that was a number one reason for me. Okay. Now, talking about number 2, the reason number 2 is the easy file transfer process after getting this Apple MacBook. Because I also have an iPhone, I think it was very, 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 very helpful to get an laptop that is also an Apple product, because you have AirDrop and you have iCloud. And I mean, iCloud you can use anywhere else too, but I think with the AirDrop, it makes it very, very easy without having to connect wiredly connect your phone to the laptop. You can just transfer your data easily without decreasing the quality of your files. And especially, like I said, when I create a lot of videos and pictures, I take a lot of pictures. Yeah, I do have to make sure that I have enough storage on my laptop, and also I have enough storage on my phone to take another set of videos and pictures, right? So the easy file transfer was another reason that I that I got this laptop for. So the easy file transfer was another top reason why I got this laptop. And yeah, like I said, AirDrop, iCloud, and also you can wire if in case you don't have internet, definitely you have your wire with the help of which we can connect your phone to the laptop and transfer your data. That might take a little longer, but still, it's still possible. So yeah, that was my reason number 2 to get this laptop. Now, talking about number 3, reason number 3 is I did not realize it until I was trying to create videos or utilize the laptop's video quality, because I didn't really use this laptop's screen recording or camera and all that stuff. I always use my phone. So recently I was using this laptop a lot for my audio, for my video, and all the other stuff. And I came to realize that how easy the recording process was. And in fact, I'm right now recording this screen with the help of this laptop. So what you do is you have a quick time player here. You can either do that, or you can also hit Command Shift and 5, number 5, Command Shift number 5 together. That will bring up a screen where you can either capture your entire screen, or you can just choose a selected area to get the screenshot, or also take a video like screen recording like I'm doing right now. So if you see, there's a sign here where it says it's recording right now. So if I hit that one, it will stop. So the other amazing thing about this is if you go to File, and right now it's a recording, but you can also record your movie. So if you click on the new movie recording, it's gonna record a separate screen. So that's another way to like take a video of yourself along with a screen recording. So that's an advantage. So I really like that part as well. So that's my number 3 reason why I think you should get this laptop. Now, talking about number 4, the 4th reason is how easy it is to mirror your phone to your laptop. So as you can see here on the screen, for privacy reasons, I wanted to show, but for privacy reason, I didn't want to show. But you don't have to connect it via the wire. You can just have your you can just have your Apple account signed in on both of your phone as well as laptop. And you can literally mirror your phone on your laptop and just use it. It is as simple as that. So, I mean, I think that's very helpful sometimes. Even if, like, let's say, for instance, you don't have an Instagram on your laptop and you want to use it, then you can just scroll it through your laptop, but while you are on the phone, that I think that's an amazing feature to have. So that's my number 4. And number 5 is the amazing display quality it has. Right now, I have a screen protector that I got from Amazon. I also have a keyboard protection and a case, a transparent case. That's amazing. And the quality of the videos and everything that plays here is amazing. I really like how it's just so crystal clear, and it's like that, I don't know, just like it's very nice when you look at the other screens after you watch on Apple MacBook Pro. It's completely different, and whenever you're watching on the laptop, you just enjoy the show even if the show is not that good. That's what I have to say about this. So I really enjoy my laptop, and these are my top 5 reasons I think you should get this laptop if you are planning to get one. And if you already have a lot of Apple products, then why not? So yeah, I think this is a great laptop, and it's very easy to use. It's not that heavy, and the best thing is Amazon has a lot of accessories like the cases and the keyboard protector, the keyboard, whatever that is called, the topper, yeah, and then the display protector. It has a lot of options. I mean, in compared to I think other laptops, because MacBook is an expensive laptop, and also it's very sturdy. I would say it's very reliable, I think. Yeah. And yeah, I hope I will stay with my laptop for years and years. And yeah, I really I'm looking forward to create more and more content from my laptop. And I've also started using my laptop's mic, and I'm actually using an external mic, and I hope my audio is good. And also my camera, I've been trying to use the camera as well, and the quality is not, it's still 1080p, so I think it is amazing. Yeah. And one more thing I wanted to mention is the fingerprint login that I've enjoyed so much on this laptop. Other laptops might also have that. I do have a work laptop that logs in with my face, but this one is the index finger, which I have to register, and then it helps me log in every time with just help of like a fingerprint, just like my our old phone used to do it. But I really like that feature, and it's like high security as well. And after like fewer days, it will ask you to enter your password just in case. But I think that's a very good feature to have. And yeah, I love that feature. And overall, I love MacBook so far. So that was my top 5 reasons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I want to get to the 1,000 subscriber goal. That's my goal right now. So help a girl out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.